Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use Sline Slider by the Ultimate Post Kit in Elementor. Sline Slider is a block type widget that displays post content as well as hooks up a featured video for each post. The video button is interactive and displayed at the center of the post background. Clicking the button will play the aimed video covering the featured area of the post within your display. You can customize the slider to add more colors and animation effects to the posts. The Sline Slider is an amazing widget that helps you showcase your post to visitors in a different style. It will help you add more to your blogging site and interact more with the visitors. Let's get to the back-end operation and see what's inside. After dragging and dropping the widget, you'll see the default Sline Slider interface on the page. The Layout section under the Content tab gives you some switches to show or hide certain elements from the slider, such as title, category, author, and more. For instance, let's turn off the category switcher and you'll see it vanishing from the slider posts. Let's turn it on again. Next, go to the Query section. Here you can limit the number of items displayed on the slider by the scroll bar of custom number adjustment. The include/exclude fields are for displaying or hiding selected posts by their tags, categories, authors, and name. Then there are some sorting options right below. The slider settings section mainly has animation controls for the slider, like autoplay, grab cursor, loop, and animation speed. Moving on to the Style tab. There are lots of options to modify the appearance of the slider as per your requirements. For instance, we can select a background overlay color for the slider using the option here. Then just edit the color profile. We can always switch to gradient if one color seems less. Then going below, we can change the icon color of the video play button. And then changing the size a bit. For padding, a different value setup would be nice. Now let's switch to the title subsection and we can change the hover color here. Next, the category color can be changed for both background and text. There are more options here to customize the category field more. The last section is dedicated to customizing the thumb posts. There is a hover line effect below them which we can customize from here. Let's change the color and line height to match our slider. Then go to the next subsection to change the play button appearance for the thumb posts. Start with a white background and blue text color, just same as the featured slider. Then work around the padding a bit to make it a small circle. After that, let's change the title hover color and a matching category color like the featured slider. More options are available, but we are sticking with what we got so far. Looks nice, minimalistic, and interesting. That's how you can easily design beautiful post sliders with the Sline Slider widget. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.